In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Life Makeover on your phone. No jailbreaker computer needed. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this site called hexmods.com. Once you're here, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Life Makeover. And as you can see, guys, it comes right up. So I'm just going to show you guys. As you can see, it says Life Makeover. So just press on it, press the down button, and it should start to download. So be sure to go ahead and try us out. I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. And if you go to the App Store and type in Life Makeover, you can see it is super expensive. So let me just type it in right here as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just going to type in Life Makeover. And as you can see, guys, here's the game. Then we go to in-app purchases, and you can see it's super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to go ahead and try the site out. It's super awesome. Fully working, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super crazy, guys, and this is totally updated and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't have to jailbreak or anything like that, which is awesome. So yeah, it's pretty easy. You just gotta press on it and you're gonna be all set. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super cool, guys. Fully working, and whenever you feel like buying something, just go to the App Store, see how much it costs. You're gonna be all set. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super cool. It's a fully updated method, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. Fully working. And literally all you gotta do is go to Hex Mods and just type it in. It should come right up. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Super cool, guys. Fully working version. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. This is super insane. Fully updated and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, it's super cool, guys. So see you in another video and peace out.